Question 3. Ham and pineapple pizzas taste weird. So we are looking for a hidden 4-letter word that is at the end of one word and the beginning of the next word. So we need to find the pair of words that hides this 4-letter word. We'll start at the beginning and work our way through logically until we get to the correct answer. So A, ham and. So we'll start with the last letter of ham and the 3 letters of and, so M-A-N-D. This is not a word, so we'll try the last 2 letters of ham and the first 2 letters of and, so A-M-A-N. This is not a word, so we'll try the 3 letters of ham and the first letter of and, H-A-M-A. This is not a word, so we'll move on to the second pair of words. So and pineapple. So starting with the last letter of and the first 3 letters of pineapple, D-P-I-N. This is not a word. Now we'll try the last 2 letters of and the first 2 letters of pineapple, N-D-P-I. This isn't a word. We'll now try the 3 letters of and the first letter of pineapple, A-N-D-P. This isn't a word. We'll move on to the third pair of words. C, pineapple pizzas. So starting with the last letter of pineapple and the first 3 letters of pizzas, E-P-I-Z. This isn't a word. So we'll try the last 2 letters of pineapple and the first 2 letters of pizzas, L-E-P-I. This isn't a word. So how about the last 3 letters of pineapple and the first letter of pizzas? P-L-E-P. This isn't a word, which means we need to move on to the 4th pair of words. D, pizzas, taste. So starting with the last letter of pizzas and the first 3 letters of taste, S-T-A-S. This isn't a word. We'll try the last 2 letters of pizzas and the first 2 letters of taste, A-S-T-A. This isn't a word, so the last 3 letters of pizzas and the first letter of taste, Z-A-S-T. This isn't a word, so moving on to the final pair of words. E, taste, weird. Starting with the last letter of taste and the first 3 letters of weird, E-W-E-I. This isn't a word, so we'll try the last 2 letters of taste and the first 2 letters of weird, T-E-W-E. This isn't a word, so finally, the last 3 letters of taste and the first letter of weird, S-T-E-W. This is a word. This says stew. I am going to have stew for dinner tonight. So we've found the correct answer. You can now mark your answer on the answer sheet. Make sure you're at the correct question number on the answer sheet. So it's question 3, and then you need a clear horizontal line next to the correct answer, which is E.